Now let's get back to our main panel and to layer actions. Layer action buttons won't be available on free or light versions. Keep in mind, this video is for basic version. Let's assign a couple of layer actions and then I will just speed up. As you notice, you can also just change values of red, green and blue. No need to drag sliders. You can use inputs. And again, I want delete button to delete masks. And I want it to be red, flat. And I want icon to be reddish. This will do. 180, 55, 45. Apply. And we'll go for vector. Now we have tabs. I will go through these buttons, will show what they do. Basically, up and down just selects the channel. As you can see here, if you want to navigate, you can have this. Collapse all collapses all the trees in the layers panel. As you can see, or collapse, and expands all. For masks, for example, if you want to create multiple masks, for example, I want to set black masks here on 4 layers. As you can see, I can't. Photoshop won't allow you setting multiple masks. I can use this button and it creates all masks on all selected layers. Again, this is one history state. You can undo and you have what you had before. If you have enabled masks, for example, I want to create here, 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 and here. If I try to create, it overwrites. Or black masks, again, it creates on all layers. I can invert all masks at once and delete all masks at once. These buttons work on all selected layers. You can also, if you have, for example, I want to create on these, if you have a selection and create a mask, it will create a mask with the selection as white selection or black. And it works the same with inverting. If you invert, it will invert to black or white. Let's undo. Let's see how a vector works. If you have a path and create a vector selection, it will create vector mask. Sadly, this won't work with black. It will still create a white path mask, but if you don't have a path, it will create either white vector mask or black vector mask, as you can see here. And you can do it on multiple layers. It creates vector masks, and you can again delete on multiple layers. As an example, if you have accidentally selected without a mask, nothing bad will happen. It will just delete these two. And same with channel. Delete, that's it. There's also one more button to show you. It's a merge layers button. Merge visible on top. I already show you select previous, next, expand all, collapse all, create white, black, vector, invert, delete, delete vector. And merge visible on top, it does what it says it does. Let's click OK. Now when you click merge, it doesn't matter if you have any layers selected or not. It will always merge all visible layers on top.